Hello kids, welcome to Kids Ready Show.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
If you like this video, so please like, share, comment, subscribe and comment how's the video.